Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you some of the important concept of chapter database management. So let's move toward the list of the topics we are going to discuss in this video. How to create database in MySQL. To create database in MySQL, we use create database command. The syntax of this command is as follows: create database, database name. For example, in order to create database creative, in MySQL, we give the following command: create database creative. How to access database in MySQL? In order to access database in MySQL, we use command. The syntax of this command is as follows: use database name. For example, in order to access database creative, we give the following command in MySQL: use creative. How to create table in MySQL? In order to create a table in MySQL, we use create table command. Create table command is used to create a new table in MySQL. We use create table command in the following manner: create table student, roll number integer, primary key, name char 20, age integer, DOB date. Here we have written primary key for column roll number, so we cannot put duplicate value in the column roll number. The data type of name column is char 20, so we can put 20 character name in the column name. How to show the structure of table? In order to show the structure of a particular table, we use DESC command. The syntax of DESC command is as follows: DESC table name. For example, in order to display the structure of table student, we give the following command in MySQL: DESC student. How to modify the structure of a table? To modify the structure of table, we use alter table command. By using this command, we can add a new column, delete an existing column, and change the data type and size of a particular column. So dear student, alter table command is used to modify the structure of a table. You can add a new column, delete an existing column, and change the data type and size of a particular column. To add a new column, we use the following command: alter table student, add sax char 1. By using this command, we can add a new column sax in table student. To delete an existing column, we use drop clause in alter table command. Alter table student, drop sax. This will remove column sax from table student. To modify the data type and size of a particular column. To modify the data type and size of a particular column, we use modify clause of alter table command. See, in this example, we are modifying the column name. How to delete a table in SQL? To delete a table in SQL, we use drop table command. The drop table command is used to delete a table along with its all record. The syntax of drop table command is as follows: drop table, table name. Example, in order to drop a table student, we give the following command: drop table student. Thank you. Have a nice day.